Have you ever stepped into bright sunlight and suddenly sneezed? This reaction is called the photic sneeze reflex. It happens in about 25% of people. Scientists believe that when strong light hits the eyes, the optic nerve gets overstimulated. It sends signals so intensely that nearby nerves linked to the nose get triggered too. The brain gets a mixed message and tells the nose, sneeze. It's not an allergy or a cold, just a funny wiring glitch in the nervous system.